Good morning, afternoon, or evening, whenever it is that you are joining us in celebrating and acknowledging our fellow veterans. The veterans in our community, a part of our Thunder family, as well as all the men and women who have served our country. November 11th, Veterans Day, is a day where as a country we all come together and commemorate those who have served us. Their selfless actions and sacrifices are why we can live freely in this world today, so we thank them. This Wednesday, be sure to honor and salute those veterans who have served, who are serving, and who have committed to serve our country. We thank you. This virtual assembly is our way of showing our gratitude to these veterans. Now, if you could please rise and remove your hats for our national anthem performed by Emma Bunabi, Emily Budd, Adam Higginson, and Noah Lean.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
And since we're fortunate to have a few of our instrumental program members play the Armed Forces Salute, here it is. And a big thank you to all the families that submitted their own family members that have served.
Now presenting our guest speaker, Sergeant Michael Maltese.
All right, good afternoon, everyone. Staff Sergeant Maltese. I'm the Marine recruiter here in Vancouver and for Mountain View. So I'm going to answer some of these questions here What branch am I serving in? Currently in the Marine Corps, and for how many years? Actually 10 years. Today is my 10th year anniversary. So I'm pretty excited about that. All right, why did you choose to serve? Okay, so I chose to serve ultimately because I wanted to challenge myself, right? I wanted to get out of my hometown, see what else is out there in the world, do my part, honestly, make a difference and see what I could do. I had no idea it was going to be 10 years. Originally it's just 4 years, and next thing you know, if you love what you do, then if it's not broken, why fix it? So 4 turned into 8, and 8's where I'm at now, and loving every day of it. So what have I learned from serving? A lot about myself, honestly. The different characteristics that make up an individual, and what I'm made of, right? I knew that was going to be challenging, and that was exactly why I wanted the Marine Corps of all the branches. And that, going through my life, I, always had confidence issues, actually, of why I wouldn't be where I wanted, and I needed to change that. And giving me the opportunity to travel all over the world and back and do amazing things, and now give you guys the same opportunities that are afforded to me, is really what it's all about, and I love being able to do it. So Veterans Day to me means celebrating all the men and women that have selflessly sacrificed their time and their life to serving our country and this great nation and living free. And with them, or without them rather, we don't know where we'd be, and I'm just happy to be a part of it and continue doing what I love. So anyways, I appreciate you guys' time. I hope you have a great holiday, and if you guys ever need anything, you know where to find me. I'm at the mall, 200B. It says Marines, the few and the proud. So take care, guys.
Thank you for watching our virtual Veterans Day Assembly. Now, more than ever, is a great time to say thank you to the people who have sacrificed the most for us, and those are veterans. Whether it's a friend, a family member, or a neighbor, find a veteran to say thank you to today. We hope you all have a great day. We appreciate you watching, and remember, go Thunder.